Okay, so this is my latest 3D print. It is a cover for my Lectric XP. I designed it so that eventually I could knock off these pieces here in the middle and mount a GoPro right here. But I haven't done that yet. I have to put in a filler plate or something in order to do that and or get my GoPro mounted in there. But before I did that, I wanted to get this on here. So I took an existing design and modified it to have that, and also put a little bit more skeletonized holes on it just to dress it up. I also created this thumb throttle because my wrists get kind of tired holding it all the time like that. So I did it so that I can kind of just throw my finger down and get it on there. I made it a two-piece design because the original design was way different than this. It had a big flap on it. It kind of was in the way, and it was a one-piece design. And when you fold it out, it would put a lot of stress on it to get it even on there. It did have one screw, I believe, at the top, but I made it a two screw so that it's easier to put on when you have mirrors and big grips like I have. So this is a much more ergonomic and easier to install design. Okay, so let's check out these files in Cura.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display.
So anyway, guys, that's my video. Hopefully you guys really liked it, and you got some ideas on bumper designs or throttles. I really like printing stuff for e-bikes. I'm gonna come up with more designs. I'm already working on more stuff, but I really like the way this one came out with the two-piece design. It's easy to get over when you have the mirrors and big fat grips, and I really liked the bumper design because I can put my GoPro right on it and take videos right from this position. So if you guys like this video, please click like. If you really liked it, go ahead and subscribe. Click that bell so you can see new stuff when I post it. Anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get the tech out of here. Later.